Yo, we run boya. None can stand to me reach you, man. Things with cash, we light up the place.
When we come through, if we make room. When we say move, things we move. Things them a try do, we done do. When we make tune, the tune boom. Road cut up when the chopper them chop. Doors up when the knock of them now. Pussy jump when the big dog bark.
Yo, hello everybody. So it's been a minute. Nah, I've been wanting to do what I'm about to do. And when I mean do what I'm about to do, I'm talking about the exhaust on the E90. Like I said, nothing too crazy. We just want to change the muffler, get a little more sound in here. Because like I said, for this season, we're going to be doing some work performance-wise coming up. So let me let y'all guys hear how this sounds already. Cold start. You know, out here it's kind of cold still. But I'm going to light this up. Alright, so y'all could sit here with me. See me, see the car. 3. Alright, we're gonna get the exhaust sound on this real quick. Let that start up. Kind of a rough start, but it ain't loud. That's pretty much what's going on right now. I'm about to head over to the muffler shop, meet up with Chris from Island Auto Works, and we're gonna get this done. We hop into this car. Next time you see me, I'll be at the shop and I'll be with Chris. So hold on. All right, so I'm met up with Chris. There he go. I'm not giving a bag of long talking because he was on his camera talking and talking. You know how we do the dual vlog thing. So, Gun Hill Service.
You
about to do some work.
Gun Hill Mufflers back once upon a time.
We'll bring y'all back here. Chris can come as well.
Of course, sir.
So we have 2 options of mufflers you can put on. This is basically, y'all gonna know, everybody's, hold this camera or something, y'all can see me.
Alright.
Traditional muffler you probably put on a BMW or a European car.
How about that, father? Big bad exhaust.
You know?
What's the brand?
Don't worry about the brand, this is generic.
It's a generic brand, okay.
But you know, get that style, see straight through it.
So when a father asks you what's the intentions for your wife, you tell her that? Because I say straight, pipe my love.
That works too. Alright, so the option is this one.
That's option number 1.
Number 1. Let's throw this back in here
Wait,
now.
but hold on. So you saying that's the option, but we gotta show the people what's already on the car. Well, currently, if you didn't know, Baddest got that stock exhaust. You know, just something to get by to get from A to B any time of day. So we got stock option, then we got option number 2. Where's the 3rd exhaust?
You gotta reach in and get that one.
I gotta reach for that one. Baddest says he needs me today. Hold on, y'all.
Alright, let me hold this one.
Oh,
and
sweet. Baddest about to drop stuff. Alright, what's this spark cannon you got here? This looks like some JDM stuff. Oh, it definitely is something JDM.
So we're thinking to go JDM on the German.
Look at this. Baddest. I do not approve of this. I do not approve of this. Everybody, if you own a German car, please do not put this in your vehicle. Like, what is this? The burnt tip kind of cool, but, you know, I don't approve of this JDM foolishness.
So that's the
and not on a European car. Oh, damn, man. I must
see, we had twisting cameras the wrong way and all that.
Twisting cameras the wrong
so
way,
this is one of the options. And the only reason why is because people will hate me doing this, why I said I might do it.
And why would you want it? What's the benefits of this exhaust? I think I know, but let's explain to the people what's going on here.
The reason I was thinking about this, it has a built-in silencer, which you can take out.
Baddest want to be loud some days and quiet other days, huh?
Obviously, and also an experiment. Because I might put it on, see how it works. If I like it, take it, keep it, throw it off. I have the other muffler I can always throw on there.
That's kind of heavy, man. I don't know. I don't like that. The weight saving. I like weight saving.
This is gonna be much lighter than the OEM though.
Okay.
But either one is gonna be much lighter. So those are options. Because eventually I was thinking to go with a cutout, but with my plans of going catless headers, getting tuned, and want to do burbles and possibly split some flames.
Wow.
So if we split some flames.
Hell must be freezing.
That Valvetronic thing may not be too good right now. And
that is on verbals. That is trying to cause problem.
But here's the thing: we want our verbals to be able to turn them on and turn them off. So we can be conservative some days, and some days just be beer nice. All right. So these are the choices we have right now. Y'all guys, of course, in the comments, please your opinions. You think the Ford can? JDM style, or just go, or the basically traditional,
or traditional, clean, elegant, European physique.
Because you definitely know, I'm not gonna do a complete muffler delete. I need to have some kind of muffler. So this is the choices I'm putting right there.
All
right, so we're gonna put the cameras on pause until they have us pull in to get the work done.
I hit something the way I heard that. I was what the fuck?
Yeah, man.
So we finally got Battis's car inside, so now we just recording each other, and then we'll show you guys what's going on in a little bit. See you in a few.
That's the old muffler. Let's go with it.
I may not be able to use that video because I got your plate in it.
There we go. Front can is on. I'm not even going to call it front can because I'm not even going to. It's a JDM style exhaust. N1.
It's a Mugen?
It ain't no Mugen, but yo.
Baddest one.
I guess it's my German Subaru. Angled and everything, right? Alright. Chris is about to start this up. E90 finally really waking up now. See me. See what this man got going on. Hey, bro. Oh, everybody. There goes Brenda.
Hi, everyone.
She caught me right in the middle of my vlog.
How you doing?
Huh? I'm doing all right. You know what? I'm cut you guys for a little bit. We're gonna talk.
Chris is in your car?
Yeah.
Are you tuning it up?
Now, we changed the muffler. Alright, so Chris is inside. We took the silencer out.
Dale.
Go ahead, Chris. Take your time. Make sure everything's clear.
Come.
The headaches you have with low cars.
Yeah, come up.
You got it.
Do it.
Yeah, you got it. Stop making it slide, but you're doing good. Huh?
You lower the car too?
Yeah. You should be good now. Let's keep going, taking your time. You're good, boy. You're good. I know it sounds scary. That video I put up with the turbo car, the turbo sound, this sound like it now. And it's not too loud. Remember I told you I don't want too loud, I just want a nice rumble. And
But
we
that's
got a nice
good.
rumble.
And he took out the thing.
Yeah, so imagine if I put it back in. Brother, yo.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised actually. That was not bad.
Yo, y'all see the smile on my face? Means I'm gonna be annoyed with this.
That just means he did a good job.
He did a great job. All right, so
It's your favorite.
I'm gonna go talk to these people, screw them off. I'll be back in a little bit. All right, so we're back again. It's the next day. Exhaust is on. No, we like it so far. No complaints, even though it's no JDM style. There we go. No, see the whatever. But to give y'all a cold start on this, where's my key? So check it out. Let me get over here. So we're gonna get the shot right here. Poppy in the cold start. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man. Get this thing to start up. That didn't look too good, but so got a little loudness, but you know, after the cold start, it's gonna quiet down. See? Quiet down already. Alright, so that's the cold start right there. Not bad. I'm about to get going. I just wanted to give you guys that. Later.